Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 7th, 2026. We got a Kubota SVL95-2S, which is a high flow. This one's a pretty nice unit, guys. It's got enclosed ROPS. It does have a front glass that is broken on the slide door. Z-tracks on it, guys. It runs real good. No abnormal noises we can hear from the engine. Undercarriage seems to be in really pretty good shape as well. It's got a 6'8" bucket on it, whatever they call that. Is that a 72 inch, I think, maybe? Maybe it's an 84, it might be an 84 inch. 80 inch bucket on it, guys. The cylinders, we have not seen any seeping from the cylinders at all. This one here is leaking some. It's a real slow leak, that's why it's all covered with stuff here. Most likely it's an O-ring inside here. Not a big deal. This needs to be re-O-ringed or whatever. Those are cheap, 50 bucks I think they are. Anyway, not a big deal. Serial number is 0886. This one ends in 0886. You see the door is missing, the glass here is missing. This is lot 1414. This one's a cab AC and heat unit. Now, I don't know the condition of the AC. You obviously know the radio works. The AC, the switch here is broken. So I'm sure if you were to turn this, the stuff would all work. This one is not equipped with a hydraulic quick coupler, but has the controller here, and it's capped right there. So I'm sure you could add it if you'd like it. Let's see. Yep, there's the high flow switch, so that should be on. 2150.5 hours currently showing. See if there's any codes or anything. Not from what we can see here. All right, guys. It revs up as it's supposed to. The lights and everything. Again, I'm not sure the condition of the AC and heat because I don't have a way to turn on the system there. Anyway, without further ado, let's give you a quick little engine video, and then we'll go in and get you a video of the machine operating. Wow, that thing's stuck. Okay. Perfect, runs real smooth. No knocking or noise from bad injectors or anything. Seems to run real good, guys. Close that, close this back hatch. All right, without further ado, guys, let me get you a quick little operations video here on this SVL95-2S enclosed ROPS unit. All right, guys, here we are. All right, there you have it, guys. It runs, it works. The high flow, the 2-speed worked. You know, the bucket went up and down. I don't know what the noise was, probably metal rubbing on metal somewhere. But all the pins and stuff seem to be pretty tight on this unit, guys. We're not seeing any visible wear from what we can see. So, pretty nice machine, guys. If you got any questions, it's here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.